देखिए हम जाएंगे भारत का अपने तिरंगा लगाकर ट्रैक्टर पे, ठीक। अगर वो हमें रोकते हैं, तिरंगे पे पानी डालते हैं, तो वो गद्दार देशद्रोही।
जेब में था चिल्लर, साथ वाले किल्लर, काम करे कांड वाले, लाइफ बेड़ा थ्रिलर, घूमे फिरे बस्ती में दिन रात मस्ती में, फिर भी काम किया बेटा खड़ा किया पिल्लर।
भाजपा के कार्यकर्ता हूँ मैं, मगर मैं अब इसलिए आके खड़ा हुआ जब हमारे गले पर छुरी चल रही है, तो बताओ हम क्या करें, क्या करें हम। अब आज हम मोदी जी से मिलने जा रहे हैं, तो मोदी जी कह रहे हैं ये तो बदमाश है, गुंडे लोग हैं, ये है वो है, क्या है। जिस दिन वोट मांगने आए तो उस दिन तो एक भी दिन नहीं कहा था कि तो हम तो तुम गुंडे लोग हो, तुम यहाँ से भाग जाओ। अरे हम जब भी भाग जाते।
तो बाप बन, छोटे थोड़ा शाप बन।
तेजस्वी लोग हैं हमारे पास, कितने शानदार विचार रखते हैं जी।
जैसे लाल किला बेच दिया, ट्रेन बेच दी, विमान बेच दिए, तो ऐसे ऐसे बेच के देश को बेचने वाला आप जा देश का बेड़ा गर्क कर दिया उसने, देश का वो बाबा बन लिया, इतनी लंबी दाढ़ी हो ली और ये चला जाएगा कि मैंने तो संन्यास ले लिया, मैं क्या करूँ।
एडिट करके तूने इमेज मेरा मीम बना दिया, मेहनत करके तेरे भाई ने पूरा ड्रीम बना दिया।
9 करोड़ किसानों के खाते में
18,000 करोड़, 2,000 रुपए सम्मान निधि। हमें 2,000 रुपए सम्मान निधि नहीं चाहिए, हमारा ही वापस कर दो।
अरे 500 रुपए महीना दे रहा किसान, कोई भिखारी है। उधर तो 500 दे रहा हमें महीने में, और हमारी फसल जो 2200 और 2400 बिकनी थी, वह बिक रही है 800 में, तो हमें तो इन्हें 1200 का घाटा वहीं दे दिया।
राहुल गांधी किसानों के साथ,
राहुल गांधी जब अच्छा काम करेगा उसे बनावेंगे, हमें चाहिए अच्छा आदमी, हम बेईमान आदमी वो सब उठा देंगे।
मोदी जी अच्छे नहीं है।
अरे बेईमान मेरा, अरे भाई तब आ गई भाई, मोदी बिल्कुल खराब, बिल्कुल खराब, बिल्कुल खराब।
बिल्कुल बिल वापसी नहीं तो घर वापसी नहीं।
लेकिन अभी तक जो बातचीत हुई है उससे तो कहीं भी ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है कि वापस करने वाले हैं वो लोग।
और हमें क्या वापसी जाल लग रहे। दादागिरी मत कर, वरना मोदी को चिट्ठी लिखता हूँ।
तो भाई कोरोना कुछ नहीं, इन्होंने तो कोरोना के बहाने हर आदमी के मुंह पे छिक्का लगा के और अपने कानून पक्के करने थे,
देश को लूट लिया जी।
और जो देश लूट के अंडानी की और अंबानी की,
एक बार कोयला घोटाला आया था ना,
एक बार
अरे जरा बारी से आने दो।
इन नवयुवकों के सबके जड़ छुटा दिए इन्होंने। 38,000 करोड़ रुपया, अब से 6 महीने पहले की रिपोर्ट दे रहा हूँ, 38,000 करोड़ रुपया इन्होंने निबाड़ कर था, फार्म भरवा के ले लिया, और नौकरी किसी एक बीज की लगी नहीं।
भैया जी आप तो
इन्होंने सिर्फ पूंजीपति संभालना, क्यों इलेक्शन में पैसे ले रखे हैं पहले भी और फिर लेने चाह रहे, पर बिके वे पैसे लिए जाएं, इनका टंडा ठुकेगा चूतड़ा में बिके।
इस सज्जन को क्या तकलीफ है भाई, क्या तकलीफ है इनको।
वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग के जरिए प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने देश भर के अलग अलग राज्यों से किसानों से वार्तालाप की है वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग के जरिए, और वो खुश है इस कानून से। तो वो कौन है?
वो तो भाई FM भी चले, 24 घंटे चले। FM भी तो 24 घंटे चले, अपनी बात कहना किसी को, दूसरे की सुननी नहीं।
ठीक है, आगे की क्या रणनीति है?
हम क्या कहीं जा रहे हैं, दिल्ली इतनी बढ़िया जगह है, ऐसे छोड़ के जाएगा कोई, हमें तो पता ही अभी चला भाई। ये खेत में ही काम करेंगे क्या पूरा दिन? आ गए, ये दिल्ली इतनी बढ़िया जगह, हमें तो पता ही नहीं था। अगर ये पहले पता चलता तो हम तो पहले आ जाते हैं।
तो आप बैठे रहना कि प्लान भी आ गया।
और प्लान है ना, आगे का प्लान क्या बताया करे भाई, प्लान है, बड़ा प्लान है। उन्होंने घोषणा की है कि 6 महीने में मोदी को डंडे मारेंगे।
खत्म, बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया।
हाँ, जेब में था चिल्लर, साथ वाले किल्लर, काम करे कांड वाले, लाइफ बेड़ा थ्रिलर, घूमे फिरे बस्ती में दिन रात मस्ती में, फिर भी काम किया बेटा खड़ा किया पिल्लर। जेब में था चिल्लर, साथ वाले किल्लर, काम करे कांड वाले, लाइफ बेड़ा थ्रिलर, घूमे फिरे बस्ती में दिन रात मस्ती में, फिर भी काम किया बेटा खड़ा किया।
मोदी तेरी तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी। किसान एकता जिंदाबाद, 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 किसान एकता जिंदाबाद।
हर कदम किसके पास है ये आज हम देख रहे हैं और हमने ये भी देखा है
It's the 3rd of February and we are at Mandi House right now, where a procession is being organized in solidarity with the farmers' protest. This is happening in the wake of several events that have taken place over the past week. We have had the arrest of Mandeep Punia and Dharmendra Singh, independent journalists, who are now been released. Mandeep Punia on a bail bond and Dharmendra Singh after signing an undertaking. This is also the time when at Ghazipur border we have heightened bordering and security. That means we have barricades which have been set up along with concrete bricks and along with nails being plastered to the ground. Now all of this is happening while at Delhi, at Mandi House, a procession march is being organized. As you can see over here, these protesters are about to march from Mandi House to Jantar Mantar in solidarity with the farmers.
I think that if the government had any sense whatsoever, any government with good sense would say that, look, we are withdrawing these laws and we'll cut our losses and back off now, and we'll talk to the farmers and see what can be done in the future, what kind of laws the farmers want and so on. It's very clear that they are morally on the wrong side of history and they should do this. But this is not a government which works, I think, in a democratic manner, and it does not operate by the normal rules of political good sense. So this is a government that thinks that high-handedness and arrogance pays, and that violence pays, and that we have to look strong. I think that if they really wage war against farmers in this country, where almost everybody has some connection or other with rural communities and farming communities, then in a sense you're waging war against everybody in the country. And you are essentially turning the whole country against you, barring a few of your supporters. And the whole world is watching also. And we are increasingly getting to know that also, that the whole world is watching.
दोबारा सूचित किया जाता है कि कोरोना महामारी के कारण यहाँ पे धारा 144 लगी गई हुई है, इसलिए यहाँ पे कोई भी पॉलिटिकल गैदरिंग या कोई धरने की प्रदर्शन नहीं, परमिशन नहीं है। इसलिए आप ये जगह खाली कर दें, अन्यथा आप पे उचित कानूनी कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
Why they never said this call to Prime Minister Narendra Modi or Amit Shah? No, the entire Bihar election was conducted. What COVID, man? COVID is not only for us, na? This is also from the Prime Minister. And he is actually old. We are young people. We'll manage. Somehow he should manage himself. So this is all. They have closed down the universities. COVID became a very good scapegoat for them. And they are using COVID as a mean to repress, to unleash more repression. They have closed down the universities because they know the moment universities will open, students will come out on the streets. And today the students who are there in Delhi, they are here. Basically today we all have come here with this message that those people who had gone to Singhu border and said that they are the locals of Delhi, and we all know that they were the people from BJP and RSS, and they said at Singhu border that Singhu border khali karo. The way they said, the way Kapil Mishra did during the anti-CA protest. So we are today here to say that we are the people of Delhi. You know, we are the students of Delhi. We are the teachers, lawyers, everyone is here. The citizens of Delhi are here, and we are here to say that we stand with the farmers of this country, and we also oppose the 3 farm acts that the government has unilaterally, undemocratically imposed on the farmers. Secondly, they are not allowing us to march. With all their barricades, with all their force and water cannons are here, and we don't know, any moment they may decide to do the lathi charge and we'll be pushed back. Or they may detain us, or they may put us in prison. So they have actually made the entire country as prison. And at the protest sites, at Singhu border, Tikri border, Ghazipur, itna bada keel thok diya hai, with all the barbed wires, with the big forces there. It only shows कि देश के अंदर भी border create वो कर रहे हैं, and they have no way out. सरकार को भी समझ नहीं आ रहा कि क्या करें. तो पहले traitors prove कर रहे थे कि all these farmers are Khalistanis because they are with their pagris and turbans. वो नहीं चला because the Western Uttar Pradesh has now come. So they are thinking of the other ways. They are thinking of unleashing brute state repression on the farmers. And we know that around 150 to 200 farmers are missing. They are under arrest. Even today, just today, I'm coming from High Court. We had filed a habeas corpus petition in which we found that the five farmers that we thought were missing are under jail right now in Tihar. So they are just picking people, not informing the families, and people don't know where they are. So this is the repression that they are unleashing. Even journalists like you or journalists like Mandeep, who were actually reporting what is the reality. They are doing their jobs. It's not that they're doing something really great. They are doing their jobs. They are being punished for that. So this is the level of democracy. I mean, I wonder, is this a democratic nation anymore?
हम सारे दिल्ली के लोग, हम दिल्ली के छात्र, दिल्ली के मजदूर, दिल्ली के महिलाएं, दिल्ली के शिक्षक, दिल्ली के युवा और दिल्ली के नागरिक आज ऐलान करते हैं कि हम हमारे देश के किसानों के साथ हैं।
There is massive arrangement to stop the citizens' march today. I mean, police in riot gear, lathis, several rounds of barricades, water cannon, and you can see that these are students, these are workers, women, teachers, and all we have is banners in our hand and flags in our hand and slogans in support of the farmers' movement. So it is absolutely clear that we were not going to disrupt anything. We have seen that, time and again people have gone from Mandi House. We have seen marches from Mandi House to Jantar Mantar. And this is fundamental for democracy, that people can speak what they want to speak. Not only here, at the borders also. We have seen how the farmers' protest sites are being surrounded by walls, by nails. Nails are being installed, and visually it gives you an impact as if that is an enemy territory. Whereas the fact is, when the farmers came in the tractor rally to Delhi, the citizens of Delhi had extended their warm welcome to the farmers. And I am not only talking about certain student organizations and certain activists. I myself was present at Najafgarh when the farmers tractor march came. The locals were greeting and they were so happy to see the farmers. So, people of the country, people of Delhi, there is absolutely no enmity between them. But these barricades, these walls, these nails are being constructed to protect the interest of few corporates, so that what is being spoken from the farmers' protest site doesn't come out. Even if they have to apply water cannon, even if they have to fire bullets, they will do it on the farmers, on the people of the country, but they will not let the process of monopolization over market by certain corporates to be hampered. So this is a government for the corporate, of the corporate, by the corporate, and the farmers are out there to resist it. I think the farmers are fighting a battle, a very, very relevant battle, and let us remember that the slogan of Company Raj, it is drawn from our history. The 1857 battle, it was a battle against Company Raj, and the 1857 battle was the start of going away of the British Raj. The farmers fought then, and so it is in our soil, it is in our history, and we are going to fight this battle very strongly.
To receive instant updates on all videos from The Wire, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Pay to support independent journalism. Click the link in the description and choose the amount you want to pay.